Today we're going to use percents to solve problems. You can solve percent problems using an equation or by writing a proportion. We are going to solve using proportions. You are going to use this formula every time. Percent over 100 equals part over whole. Be sure that you put that little word of after the whole. This is the key to setting up a percent problem. If you look for this first, you won't have any problems setting these up. As a first example, let's take 26% of 40. If it says 26% of 40 is what number, you would write your formula. Percent over 100 equals part over whole. They give me the percent. I always know the percent because I have the percent symbol. So in place of that percent symbol, I put 26. Notice the percent symbol is not there anymore. You don't need it because you are making the fraction. So I have 26 over 100 equals, remember I told you to go to the of first, so 26% of 40. That means the whole is 40. That tells you that your proportion will be 26 over 100 equals x over 40. You do the cross products like we've done over and over and over, and you get that x is 10.4. That means that 26% of 40 is 10.4. If your problem said, what percent of 91 is 45? We write our formula again. Percent over 100 equals part over whole. Remember, whole follows that word of. This time, we don't know the percent. They ask us what percent, so we put x in place of the percent sign. X over 100 equals, we have to go to that whole, what percent of 91? That means 91 is the whole. So x over 100 equals 45 over 91. Do your cross products. This time we had to round off because this comes out to be a long, long decimal. So we will say x is approximately 49.5. If your problem said 42 is 5% of what number, you would write your formula again. And then you would say, well, 5%, that means 5 goes in place of the percent. 5 over 100 equals, it says 5% of what number? I don't know the number, so I put x. So 5 over 100 equals 42 over x. Do cross products, solve it out. X is 840. That means that 42 is 5% of 840. Take this formula and use it to work these 4 problems. The last one is a word problem. I gave that one to you because I want you to see that the word problems are exactly like these other 3 problems. All you have to do is locate the percent of what? This one says Jay's term paper is 18 pages long. Maddie's paper is 175% the length of Jay's. How long is Maddie's paper? You don't see the word percent of anything, but it says 175% the length of Jay's paper. We almost automatically say 175% of the length of Jay's paper. So it's still understood to be there. Set this one up exactly the same way you set up the other 3.